Hello, hello. Today I'm going to Panda Express. I'm so excited to try orange chicken. The reason I want to try their chicken because they actually originate this dish. I want to see if this orange chicken from Panda Express is different from the one I had at home growing up in China with my grandma. Let's go check out. I found this Panda Express actually only 4 miles from my apartment, really close. Hope it's good. Oh, it's a big restaurant. Can I have 2 orange chicken? Rice. Yeah, I like that box better with a panda on there. Oh, what's this?
Fortune cookie.
Oh, fortune cookie. It's for sale?
Yeah.
Oh, I get one. Actually, I like this little box. It's really cute. The pandas on here. I ordered the orange chicken. I want to try the fried rice because I always make a fried rice. Do they have chopsticks? They don't have chopsticks. Do you have chopsticks? So first of all, I think the difference is from just looking at the chicken. The chicken is breaded. I don't bread the chicken with any flour or cornstarch. Actually, this version is good. Just different. Crunchy, actually. The rice needs some more flavor. This is definitely new for me. But I will show you how I make orange chicken. You can make it at home, see if you like it. We're gonna start cooking my version of orange chicken, then we taste side by side. I'm taking all the ingredients out for this recipe. Some ginger, green onions for garnishing the end, some orange. You definitely need the orange. Soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, cooking wine, cooking oil. Here I use a chicken thigh. I like chicken thigh because I think it's more flavor and tender. I'm cutting chicken in little cubes. So I marinate the chicken with Chinese cooking wine. Either use cornstarch or bean starch. Measuring, see? I'm measuring with my Chinese eyeball. We mix the chicken with bean starch. Put it on the side for about 15 minutes. Ginger, chopped small. And chopped garlic. So now we're making the sauce for the orange chicken. Chinese soy sauce, Chinese vinegar, also a little bit of sugar. Mine's not that sweet. Of course, orange. We need some orange juice. Either, you can squeeze this or just buy some orange juice. The orange juice in here. I like to add some extra orange flavor. Get some orange peel in the sauce. So the sour taste out of it also from the orange too, not just the vinegar. That's a very easy dish. Make for dinner. Eat over rice. First thing, we will put in ginger and garlic in quickly. Get the fragrance out. Then we put the chicken in. On high heat, we stir fry quickly. Not for the show because it's exercise for me. So here the sauce I made. Slowly pour in. Cook the sauce down. Thicken the sauce. You can see the sauce is getting thick. Always taste your food. That's a little orange. It's perfect. Last thing. It's up to you. If you like some MSG, umami flavor, just tiny bit. Chinese food we eat always family style. Panda Express again. Here are Panda Express chicken. They deep fried it, so outside is crunchy. Now I taste mine. This is the flavor I'm used to. You taste a lot of orange actually in there. So my version, you can definitely taste the orange in there. Still sour, a little bit sweet. For the Panda Express version, the texture is totally different. If you like a fried chicken, you might like this better because it's crunchy outside. I see them a totally different dish. What's my fortune today? You will discover new strength in an ongoing battle. Ongoing battle, what's my battle? Ongoing battle is Panda Express. You need to give me chopsticks. Next time, let me know in the comment section what next American dish I should cook. This one is for you.